Very good morning, children. Welcome to the today class. Today we are going to start, that is some applications of trigonometry exercise 9.1. Yesterday I have told you about what is the line of sight and what is the angle of elevation, what is the angle of depression. I said in what is the angle of elevation means, in the angle of elevation the object is higher level than the observer eye. Suppose the observer eye is here, object is here. That means object is higher level than the observer eye. That is called angle of elevation. The angle is forming in the between the line of sight and with the horizontal line. That is called angle of elevation. In the angle of depression, the object is lower level than the observer eye. That means object is down and the observer is top. From there he is observing that is called the angle of depression in that. So here now today we are going to discuss, it's very important topics. This is how to find out the heights of I have told you that by using this trigonometric ratios we are going to find out the height of the tower or the height of the minar, find out the width of the rivers, like that. So here the first problem is given. I am going to read the first problem once. Verify in the textbook all of a 9.1 exercise. A circus artist is climbing a 20 meters long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. So once again I am reading, a circus artist is climbing a 20 meters long rope. So in the given diagram, where is the long rope? This is the long rope. AC is the 20 meters long rope. That's why here the solution is given. AC is the length of a rope. Therefore AC equals 20 meters. That is, a circus artist is climbing a 20 meters long rope. Is climbing the rope, that is the length of the rope is 20 meters, which is tightly stretched, and this rope is very tightly stretched, that is tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. This is the AB is the vertical pole. It is tightly stretched from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. This is the ground level. So here this is the AB is a vertical pole. For the vertical pole, the long rope, 20 meters long rope is tightly stretched and tied from the top to bottom. This one. This is the top of the pole and this is the ground position. That's why they are given, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. So that's why that rope is tied from the top of the rope to, that is top of the pole to ground, that is 20 meters. Find the height of the pole. Where is the AB is a pole? That's why AB is a vertical pole. Let AB equals to h meters. We have to find out height of the vertical pole. This is AB is a vertical pole. AC is the length of long rope, that is 20 meters. So in this triangle now, from triangle ABC, angle B is the 90 degrees. Angle C 30 degrees. They are given in that. You see, just look at here. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground. This is the ground level, and the angle made by the rope. This is the rope. This is the ground. How much it is? The angle made by with the ground and rope, it is 30 degrees. They are given with the ground level is 30 degrees. That is therefore angle C is the 30 degrees. Sir, okay sir, how can we find out the height of the vertical pole here? We are going to use the trigonometric ratios. So what are the trigonometric ratios? Now just look at it. AB is required here. So in this right angle triangle, 90 degrees opposite hypotenuse, that hypotenuse is called here now. We are going to call the length of the long rope, that is 20 meters. AB is required. So this is 30 degrees opposite side. What is that? Opposite side by hypotenuse. 30 degrees opposite side by hypotenuse means, what is the trigonometric ratio? Sine. Therefore, sine 30 degrees. Here it is C, it is n instead of equal 30 degrees. Therefore, sine 30 degrees. 30 degrees sine means what? 30 degrees opposite side by hypotenuse. That means AB by AC. Therefore, sine 30. Sine 30 degrees AB by AC. Sir, why sir? Are you taking only sine trigonometry ratio? Remaining we have 5 are there now? Yes, you can take that one. Only the what is the requirement here for me? AB. Yes, that means that's why I am going to take the sine. What is that? Sine means opposite by hypotenuse, or otherwise hypotenuse by opposite side. One unknown and known. Unknown by known means what? Here it is opposite by hypotenuse means what? Sine, or otherwise hypotenuse by unknown. This is what is that? Sine reciprocal is the cosecant. These two only possible. So otherwise now here if you are going to find out the BC, there is no requirement. What they are asking, find the height of the pole. This is required. That's why sine 30 opposite side by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Sine 30 degrees in the table column is the sine 30 degree, introduction of trigonometry before exercise 8.2. Sine 30 degrees in the table 1 by 2. AB means we have to find out what is that AB. AB is a vertical pole, AB equal H meters. H, AC means what is the length of the long rope? 20 meters. H by 20. Then cross multiplication 20 into 1, 20. 20 by 2 equals to H. Therefore, 20 by 2 means how much it is cancellation? Therefore, 20 by 2 equals to, it is cancellation 10 meters. Therefore, H equals to 10 meters. Therefore, height of the vertical pole equals to 10 meters. Find the height of the pole equals to, this is the height of the pole. So, therefore, that is the 10 meters height of the pole. This is the first answer. So, here they are asking only find out the height of the pole. The height of the pole equals to 10 meters. This is the first problem. When we are coming to the second problem, this is very important problem. Second problem, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top that touches the ground is 8 meters. Here I find the height of the tree. Sir, where is the tree? Just look at it, it's very careful. A tree breaks due to storm. This is the height of the tree. Suppose AC is the height of the tree. Let AC is the height of the tree. What is AC? I am going to take AB plus BC. This is the height of the, generally we are counting the height of the tree. AC is the height of the tree. AC is the height of the tree means before here it is given. Height of a tree before it was broken by the storm. Before it was, here it is given after the storm, when it was broken in the middle, it is going to be that it was broken, that then it is attachment, it is there. It is not going to be two parts. Attachment is the top is touching to the ground. With the ground it is making an angle 30 degrees. So that's why here A is the foot of the tower, C is the top of the tower. Sorry, A is the foot of the tree and C is the top of the tree. By the wind, by the storm, it is going to be just now breaking into two parts. So it is the when it is now that now two parts, it is in the middle one. Here it is just now by the wind, it is going to be bent. Bends and top is touching to the ground. That's why AC is the height of the tree. AC how the middle point is giving that. Therefore, AC how we are going to take AB plus BC. That means AB plus BC we have to find it. This is before it was broken. After that, after the wind, by the wind. So when it is going to be touches to the ground with an angle of 30 degrees, making with the ground. Top is making with the ground. An angle 30 degrees. That means AB we have to find out, BC we have to find. That AB plus BC is the height of the tree. Angle C is given there, given 30 degrees. The distance between, here it is given first, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. When it is going to be bending at the point of B, this top is touching to the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees. So here the distance between foot of the tree, this is the foot, A is the foot of the tree, to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. The top is coming and just touching the ground here it is. That means this distance is 8 meters. 8 meters, find the height of the tree. So here AC is the height of the tree, AC equal to AB plus BC, angle C equals to 30 degrees and CAB equal to 90, this is the 90 degrees. Therefore, here AC equals to 8 meters, the distance between the, here it is given that, distance between the foot of the tree to the point where top touches the ground equals to 8 meters. Now here we have AC means, what is the AC value? AC height of the tower, that we have to find it. When we are going to find AC means AB plus BC. From this diagram you have to find AB plus BC. The sum of these two equals to AC. AC is the height of the tree, that we are coming to the point. Now here first of all tan 30 I am going to, first AB I have to find it. AB means tan 30, the 30 degrees opposite side by adjacent side of 30 degrees. 30 degrees opposite side by 30 degrees adjacent side means tan 30 degrees by AB by S. AB by S. Tan 30 1 by root 3 value. In the table column is there. 1 by root 3. AB means what? AB we have to find. AB and BC we have to find it. AB, AC value, that is the distance 8 meters. AB by 8. Therefore cross multiplication 8 into 1, 8 by root 3 equals to AB, that is. This is we got. We got AB. Next BC we have to find. This is the BC. BC by AC. Hypotenuse by adjacent side means what is that? Secant, or otherwise adjacent side by hypotenuse means cos. Therefore cos I am taking cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees means 30 degrees adjacent side by hypotenuse. AC by BC. AC by BC. Cos 30 value table root 3 by 2. Therefore AC value 8 by BC. Here cross multiplication children. The BC equals to 2 into 8, 16 by root. This is the BC. AB we got 8 by root 3, BC we got 16 by. Here I have given already AC is the height of the tree. Therefore AC equals AB plus BC. Now AC, therefore here I have written height of tree before it was broken. AC equals what is that? AB plus BC. AB plus BC. From here equals AB equal to what? AC equals AB plus BC. AB value from here 8 by root 3 and plus BC value from here 16 by root 3. Here LCM is the root 3 one, square root of 3. Square root of 3 by then 8 plus 16, how much it is? 24 by root 3. Root 3 means root 3 is here at the denominator part. We have to take the rationalizing factor of root 3 is the root 3. Therefore we have to multiply that one. Root 3 by root 3. So 24 root 3 by 3, that is 24 by 3 means 3 ones are 3 8s are. Therefore 8 root 3 is the 8 root 3 meters is the height of the tree before it was broken. So that is the second problem, first and second. So tomorrow we will continue in the next class. Thank you.